Hello everyone. Today lot of issues were happening in this NATA exam first attempt in 2020. So from our student side, what can we do to make a solution? So let me just give a gist of what issues were happening. So some people for 17 mark questions were skipped, 16 mark questions were skipped, 10 marks questions were skipped, 13 questions were skipped. Not even one or two, 13 questions were skipped. Lot of people didn't write exam itself. Some people which were allotted on for morning session, which were postponed to afternoon session due to technical faults. Lot of issues, not only resident based exam, even in test center based exam, people lot of issues were happening. So from our student sides, what to make a solution, what can we do to make a solution for this problem, we'll see detailed in this video. And the next thing is what to do next after this first attempt, the second attempt. So what are the things, registration process, registration details, when the admit card will be released, and let us see the brief details of the second attempts too. We'll talk about how was this NATA exam in a general, was it easy or tough, and the next exam what is going to happen is JEE, Joint Entrance Examination, which is going to happen in September 1. Just a brief of it, and let us talk about these things in a detail. So before getting into the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you will be updated with my daily videos. Now let's get into the video. If you had faced any technical issues, or your question got skipped, I couldn't read the question, image wasn't downloaded, I couldn't log in. Many home based students, I mean those students who are writing from home, lot of people were complaining that bro, I couldn't log in. If I call toll free number also, they are not even picking up. Lot of issues were happening. So from our student side, what you should do is, I'll give you two mail IDs, okay? These are official mail IDs. What you should do is, don't expect any replies, okay? There won't be any replies. Just you're making what was your problem. Just you're telling them what was your problem, and we can hope that they'll give a solution kind of thing. So what you should do is just mention, make a proper format letter with from is your details, and to is I'll give you what detail you should fill. And the next thing is, what was the problem you're facing? Your 17 mark question got skipped, or 16 mark question got skipped, image wasn't downloaded, whatever the problem is, just mention your details with your admin number, your home based student or test center based student, whatever it was it. Just make a proper template and send to this mail ID. First mail ID is helpdesk.nata2020@gmail.com. This is the first mail ID, and the next mail ID is registerer-coa@gmail.com. So these are the mail IDs. You should make a proper template filling what are the problems you're facing, and you should send, okay? So the next thing is, you should fill in the to address. The thing is, the registrar, COA, India Habitat Center, Core 6A, first floor, Lodi Road, New Delhi, 11, the pin code is 110003. This is the address you should fill in the register. Why am I saying this is? Just to make a proper template. As a student, you are making a proper template, okay? So the next thing is, we can't expect any solution, but there are chances of correcting all those mistakes happening in the first attempt. We can hope that they'll be clearing all the problems in the second attempt. So what you should do is, if you have not applied the second attempt, apply the second attempt, so that you'll be having lot of chances to make your marks better when you compare to the first attempt. End of registration for NATA second attempt is 4th September. You will be having 3 days. If you have not applied yet, try applying it, so that you will be having chances for getting better college too. So the next thing is, candidates correction window is open till 4th September from 30th August. Okay, so the next thing is, when is the admit card is released? You can able to download your admit card on 9th September. So from online, okay? So this is the thing. The next thing is, the date and time of examination is 12th September is the next attempt. So they'll be having two sessions. The first session is from 10 AM to 12 PM, and the next session is 10:30 to 2:30. The same as first attempt. This was an update released on a few days back. So the next thing is the publication of result for second attempt is 17th September. Okay, so hope we if you have mailed, we hope there won't be any problems which were occurring on the first attempt. So the next thing is, let us see how was the NATA first attempt. It was that easy or tough? So I have asked more than 50 peoples. None of them told, bro, NATA exam was dead easy. So that doesn't mean it is difficult. They were like, I have tried my level best, bro. I don't know what I did was correct or wrong. Lot of technical issues were happening. I couldn't concentrate. This was a word most of the people used. The next thing is, it was an average kind of thing. Hope we can clarify all the problems in the next second attempt. So I hope this video was informative. So if you have any doubts or any questions regarding this topic or anything, you can always comment, and my Instagram IDs I have given in the description, you can always follow. So yeah, this is the basic thing. Tomorrow we'll see with the new video. Bye.